1 minute. Say the rain maker. Let me tell you some things about the rain. Ayashanda badaba. Please write this one down. The rain does not come the way you expect it. Did you get that? The rain, it doesn't come the way you expect it. Even the man of God had to be helped by the Spirit of God. The rain does not come the way you expect it. Sometimes we're praying, we're believing God for something, and in our mind's eye, we have told him how to come, how to deliver the result. He said, God, you know you'll be good around May 27th, because that's around my birthday, and I don't want people to meet me. You know, this is my birthday. Let us say, as I'm marking the birthday, God did something for him, and Jehovah will be looking at him. He said, you don't know that this rain does not come the way you expect it.